If you want to be a cartoonist by using Plotagon, this video is just for you. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a character by using Plotagon. When you will open Plotagon software, you can see such a window. From here, you need not to log in, just you have to click here. And from here, you have to click on character because I want to create a character. Okay, now create new character. Okay, and from here you have to choose which character you wanna create. If you wanna create male character, just click on male, or if you wanna create female character, you have to create on female. Okay, now I'll create a male character, and from here the top right corner you can see a row, and here you can see head, hair, mustache, eye, sunglass, cloth, pant, shoe, and other two options. Okay, now I'm going to use head. Okay, there are so many head icon. Just you have to click on every head and you have to choose which head you want to use. Okay, every head looks different. Okay, I'm going to use this head, and the bottom you can see there are so many colors. You can select any color from here. Okay, I'm going to use this color, and now you will have to choose here. There are so many hairs, you can see here. Just you have to search or you have to practice. You have to click on every hairstyle. As the character is going to be created by me, a male character, it will be better if I use here, which will be better mess. Okay, I'm going to use this here, and the bottom row you can see there are so many options. Actually this row is just for the color. Okay, when I click on it, the color is changed. Okay, I'm going to use the black here, and the next option, mustache. Just click on that. If you don't want to use any mustache, you have to click on this cross icon. Okay, I'm going to use this mustache, and then next you can see there is a symbol or icon of eye, and from here you can choose the color of eye, red. When you click on red color, the eye is changed into red. Okay, I want to use this, and from the below row you can choose the eyebrow. Okay, I'm going to use this eyebrow, and the below row you can see the eyebrow sizes. Okay, I think this will be better. And the below row you can see there are some options to change the lip color. You can see the lip color is going to be changed when I click on this. Okay, now I'm going to use this, and now I will use a sunglass. Okay, there are so many options of sunglass. Just you'll have to practice. Wow, we are ring. When I click on it, the character is going to be sensed. Wow, excellent. Okay, now I'm going to use these options. You can use any of these, just you will have to practice. You will have to click on every icon. Wow, don't be afraid of it. Okay, now I'm going to use a sunglass. Oh, horn. Excellent. As the character is male, I need not use any earring, any nose ring. Okay, now I'm going to use the sunglass. Okay, next, now I will use a cloth. Every dress looks nice. Actually, the dress is dependent on your shoes. I don't know what character you actually want. Okay, now I'm going to use this one. The next, I'll use a pen. The male pant should be used here. I think the first pant will be matched nice. Now let me use a shoe. There are so many icons of shoes. Some are for female and some are for male. Okay, I'm going to use this shoe. I think this shoe has been matched with the male character. And if you want, you can change the color of the shoe. You can see when I click on red color, the color of the shoe has been changed. Okay, I'm going to use this color. Okay, the character has been created. Now you can use this character when you will go to make a video. And there is not an option of okay, just you will have to go to back. Okay, I'm going to back. Okay, you can see there is a character whose name is Lee. Just now I have created this character. Okay, dear viewers, in this way you can create so many characters and you can use this character in your video. So if you really enjoy this video and if you learn something from this video, you are requested to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from Start with Sagar. So have a nice moment, have a nice day. Okay, take care, bye bye, tata.